Okay. We, yeah. Okay. We first check the CV, then change the inequality sign
So
to
we have
be
x
equal
squared plus 2x
to
minus 15.
minus 15 is equals to 0.
Sure. And
Yeah.
then
Then we check if the zero factor law applies. Then it does not apply. So we will use the quadratic formula. But then before that, we'll first identify A, B, and C.
what is our A?
Our A is 1.
Positive. So we're going to have a smiley face already. What is our B?
Yes. Our B is 2.
What is our C?
Negative 15.
Negative 15. Okay, let's put it on a quadratic. It says x is going to be minus open bracket 2
2
plus and
plus
a
or
minus
minus 2 squared
4.
minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 15. Negative 15.
Okay,
All over 2 multiplied by 1.
sure. Okay, what do we
X
get for x
is
number
equals
1?
to 3.
3.
3. Yes.
Okay, x2?
Or negative 5.
Negative 5. Ne? Okay, let's represent this
Yes.
graphically. We say which we are going to have minus 5, 3. Smiley
And
face or sad
3.
face?
Yes. Smiley face.
So we're going to have a face which is smiling. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's go back and check what is it that they were asking us, these people. They're saying greater than. Greater than, it means above the line.
Greater.
So you should always ask yourself this
Yes.
question. It means this one here, it says above the line.
Yeah, it's above
Above
the
the line,
line,
let's go
but
and
then
shade
we will
above the
touch
line.
the line.
Yeah, and then we're going to touch the line here. So we have, this is our solution number 1, okay? And then this is going to be our solution number 2 up until we get to the line. Okay, sharp.
Number 2.
Now let's put it as an inequality, this thing. How would it look like as an inequality then? What will you say these values in relation to minus 5? They are what?
They are less than
So x
or
is going to be
equals
less
to
than
minus 5.
or equals to minus 5. Ne? Because there's a gap
Minus
in
5.
between. There's a
Yeah,
gap in
or
between. I'm going to tell them which or x in relation to 3 here. What will you say about this
or
values here?
x is greater or equals to 3.
Yeah, these values that I decide they are greater or equals to what? To 3. No, that was good,
To
Buluki.
3.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's do the next one.